Hi everyone, it's Marisa from bumblebeeapothecary.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a natural Febreze alternative. So it's really great to know how to swap out a lot of those products around the house for things that you can make yourself and that are safer, more natural options. A lot of the products that you find in the store for using for air fresheners and just making things smell better contain a lot of toxic chemicals that you really don't want to have around your house. They've been linked to a lot of different health problems, including being endocrine disruptors. The Environmental Working Group has a great database on their website where they go through all those different ingredients that are commonly found in those kind of products and why they're better avoided. And so I'll link them down below if you're interested in looking into that. But let's go ahead and jump into how to make a spray, like an air freshening or a spray that you can use around the house or your car to make everything just smell a lot nicer, that you can make yourself at home using all natural, safe ingredients that works really well. So it's very simple. You don't need very many ingredients at all. You probably already have these on hand, which makes it really nice. You can make this in any size. I like making a lot of it at once, so I like using these 16-ounce glass spray bottles. So that's what this recipe is going to work for, but you could make less if you have a smaller spray bottle as well. So all that you're going to do is take a tablespoon of baking soda and put it to a little container, and then you're going to add essential oils of your choice. Now you have so many options when it comes to these. I really like lemon and tea tree. It's what I use in my multi-purpose surface spray, which I have talked about in some other videos. So that's usually my go-to just because it smells really fresh and clean, great at deodorizing. Some other options are some of the blends that you can get from Plant Therapy. They have one called Deodorizing, and it's a blend of a bunch of essential oils that are really great for just freshening up and getting rid of odors. And then they have so many other blends too. It's really whatever you want, whatever you like the smell of. They have seasonal ones that they release different times during the year. There's a new one called Coastal Sunset. That's one of their spring or summer scents, and I thought this was gorgeous. It would make a beautiful spray too. You can do some combinations of like peppermint and lavender. You could do some citrus ones. You can really just customize it however you want. But those are some of the combinations that I like. So then you're just going to do 20 drops of each oil. So if you're using two, so it would be 40 drops altogether. And you can customize the amount too if you want it to be less of a strong smell or more of a strong smell. And then the different essential oils have different strengths to them too, so you might want to kind of play around with it a little bit. But starting off with 40 drops is a really good place to begin. And then I like to just use a fork to mix all of that all around. Just make sure that the oils are incorporated with the baking soda. And then we're just going to add that mixture to the glass spray bottle. And then we're just going to add water. I like to add just a bit at first and then swish it around to get that to dissolve nicely, and then go ahead and fill the spray bottle the rest of the way with water. And then we just add our top, and then you just shake it a little bit before using it, and then it's ready to use. And then each time when you go back to use it after it's been sitting for a while, you just want to give it a little shake and it should be good to go. So this is great around your house if you're going to be doing some spring cleaning, or anytime you're doing deep cleaning. If you just want to freshen up your couches and pillows and things like that, it works really nicely. When you go into your car to vacuum everything out, you can spray the seats and floors with that just to freshen everything up, and it's completely natural. Essential oils have great benefits in a lot of different ways, so you don't have to worry about filling your house or your car with toxic chemicals, and you can still have everything smell really nice. Okay, hope that you enjoyed seeing how to make that, and I hope that you give it a try, and if you do, let me know how it turns out and how you like it. Be sure and check out that description box for links to these spray bottles that I like to use, as well as my favorite essential oils. Also check out the description box for links to free ebooks and other goodies. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else that you think would like it. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.